One of the great things about VW engines is just how simple they are. Across the decades of production, many parts can interchange. And that's one of the things that makes these engines so good to work on. But that's also where the manual starts to reach its limit. Once parts start moving, that reference begins to drift. With different distributor and carb model numbers, different combinations, and different timing requirements. So the setup you've got may not be the one the manual's written for, and that's why it's important to check. Does what you have actually match the manual, or is it its own unique combination? If it matches, great, use the specs suggested. But if it doesn't, you're working from a baseline you need to discover. And the first step is, start asking simple questions and let the engine answer them. Is there actually an issue, or are you chasing improvement? Or are you just trying to discover what's normal? If there's an issue, when does it show up? Cold, hot, under load, or just sometimes? That's what starts to narrow it down and gives you something real to work with.